Dear learners, welcome back to Fully Excited for Learning. So today we're going to do the project My Quiz Game with Prachita Priya Chawda. So let's get started. First I'll show you my project. So this is my quiz game. So when you open this, when you download the zip file and open it in Visual Studio Code, you'll see this already. Okay. Then so this was all coded by them. You have to enter your name. I'll enter my name and the correct option number. The correct option number is 2. Okay, then submit. Now this is a 2-player game, so I'll open this tab in another. Yeah, so now over here, now I'll write my last name and then I'll write the wrong option number so that you can see the difference if the right option number and wrong option number difference. Okay, so suppose let's say 4. Now submit. Now I have made the screen, so whenever you click the submit button, when you open the project in Visual Studio Code, you open it in 2 tabs, and then when you click submit in both the ones, nothing comes up, only the question. But now we have coded it that I have coded it that it looks like this. Now Prachita is the one who answered it right and Chawda the one who answered it wrong. Okay, so contestant who answered correct are highlighted in green color. Now Prachita answered it right, so it's in green color. So this was the whole project. Now you can see that we actually started with not with the contestants. We didn't have to make this, okay, but automatically it sets this node, and then you can see the contestant count is 2 now and the game state is 1. Before it was so it's just okay. Now I'll just cancel this tab, and then in this one, okay, so now I'll enter my name again, and the correct option number 2, so submit. Now you can see over here contestant count is changed into 1, so like that. Then when you add another person, so write my brother's name and wrong option number, so 4, submit. Now you'll see the contestant count is into 2 and the game state is also changed into 1. Before it was game state 0. Okay, now for this game, if you want to play this again, then you have to go to Firebase and then do it all over again. You have to see the contestants one was never there. I deleted it, but it came again. So that's in the code only we are telling that make a node automatic, like make a node that will like named contestants. Okay, so now it's 0. See, now the game state is 0. Now let's see what actually has to be done in this project. Specific, enter the name. So these all is all so this is the setting up the the web app, and I'll just tell you tips. So suppose you didn't copy the link for configuring the code and this Firebase. Suppose you forget to do it and directly click the next button. Then when you go into the project overview, you'll see a small settings icon like that, and then project settings. When you go inside this, see, you'll see, and you can copy this whenever you want. So if you have missed it over there by copying, then you can go over here in project settings, then you'll see, and you just need to copy it by clicking over here, copy. Okay, it was just a tip. So if some of you forget, I forgot it one time, so I was wondering what should I have to do. Okay, so now we just have to make the play state quiz file. Okay, so inside play you have to make all of this code. Okay, everything else is done, but only you have to make the play function. Okay, so question dot hide. So we are hiding something called question, and the question, where's the question? Yeah, question equals to new question. Okay, so I have to find out where is this question. Yeah, question.js. So this is the question. Question as in this question, right? The whole format of this. So question equals to hide question. So first of all, that should happen. Question has this enter your name, enter correct option number. These all, button, submit. These all should be hidden. Okay. So what it starts with is question dot hide. You're hiding the question. Next, we are changing the background color into light blue. First it was pink, now it's light blue. Next, text size. So we are we are adding the format to it. Like as you saw, right? I'll do it again. Okay. Result of the quiz. So there's a heading, right? For that you make this code. So text result of the quiz 34050. So there's the position of this result of the quiz. Next, instead of making a loop or something like that, I thought it will be easier for us to text and then dot 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 until the whole result of the quiz gets covered. Okay, so under it like this. Okay, and then 32065, a little like lower to that. Could keep 60 as well. You go a little closer to that. See? So next, contestant dot get player info. This get player info is an function in contestant, the class contestant. So get player info. Status static. So what does the static mean? The static means that when you add this something called static instead of function or something else, so it means that you cannot skip this function. Okay, so you have to do this. Suppose if a function is, something is wrong in that, then we the computer skips into the next function, but this is not like that. So this static means that it's doesn't belong to, like, its own class. It's like we are making this into an independent class, and so it has the ability to take the values from or add values or change values. Okay, so where contestant info ref equals to database.ref contestants. So contestant info ref Okay, so this is a new variable equals to database.ref contestants. So contestants. First of all, how is this contestants made? Because they didn't tell us in the Whitehat Junior that we have to make something called contestants, right? So we are actually making the code itself is making without us manually making it, okay, making the node. So this happens in the update function, as you can see, where contestant index equals to contestants and then contestant plus this dot index database dot ref contestant index dot set. So this dot set makes means that it can change, so it can make a new node or set a value to a node, okay. So name colon this dot name comma answer colon this dot answer, okay. So contestants info ref dot on value comma data, then this like a arrow equals to and then a greater than sign makes like an arrow, all contestants equals to data dot val. So what's happening in this function? Contestants info ref. Now because we have the details of all the contestants in this variable called contestant info ref, so contestant info ref dot on, so this like helps us take or listen or see the value, it doesn't change or do anything, but it just has the value inside it. Then data arrow, then all contestants equals to data dot val, okay. My throat is a little bad today, okay. So contestant, so we now over here we are getting the contestant, the info of the contestant, what's its name, what's its everything, okay. Now if all contestants is not equal to undefined, okay, so exclamatory mark and then 2 equals to make, so now we know that 2 equals to make is equal to, right, if like all contestants equals to undefined, like that. But if you add exclamatory mark in front, be like aside to it, then it becomes not equals to, okay. Just remember, all contestants not equals to undefined, that means not equals to undefined means defined, right? If all contestants defined, it means this. All contestants not undefined means that if all contestants are defined, defined as in they have their name inside that, and they have their correct option number that they choose, now they're defined, as in, okay. So if not undefined, so if that means all the contestants data has come to us, then where display answer equals to 230, okay. So display answer, where's this display answer, yeah, display answer plus equals to 30, so I'll just skip this for now. Then fill blue, text size 20, text. Note, contestant who answered correct are highlighted in green color. Now because now we'll keep the person's name in red and green. The person who has his name or her name in green color, then they won. But they need to know that in green color is the right answer, in red color is the wrong answer. So that's the reason this text is written. Then where PLR in all contestants. So PLR as in, it's an array. PLR is the suppose now you have 4 players. The PLR is taking the value, like taking each person. So what we're doing is that here we're checking each person's data. Suppose like so each person, so PLR in all contestants, it's like checking the value that they have written. So where contestant answer equals to 2, if the contestants have answered as 2 in the correct enter the correct option number, something like that, right? If they have answered it 2, then so we are just making it a variable where correct answer equals to 2. we are just making it as a right. So we are just making a variable in which 2 is the correct, 2 is stored in that correct answer variable. Okay, if correct answer 3 equals to all contestants plr dot answer. So correct answer equals to all contestants as in all the contestants plr. So now plr is each person's answer dot answer. If whatever they have written, the correct answer option, if it is equals to this correct answer, then fill green. If it's not matching, suppose this correct answer and what they have entered is not matching, then red color. Okay, then display answers plus equals to 30. So this just as a format. Now they have, okay, next text size 15. Okay, text all contestants plr dot name plr dot answer. So plr dot answer is the answer box, plr as in each person. Now instead of writing contestant 1 dot answer, contestant 2 dot answer, we can directly say all contestants and then plr dot answer. Now over here we are talking about its name, what they have written. Here we are talking about the box which contains its answer. Okay, so all contestant plr dot name plus then colon whatever name that they have entered. Okay, then colon, then plus so plus as in after each, if there's a variable containing something, then you have to write plus instead of comma. Okay, all contestants plr dot answer, then whatever answer they have written. Prachita wrote 2 as the answer, but Shiva wrote 4 as the answer. So whatever they answer they have written, in comma, display answers. Okay, so this was the format for it, and this contestant plr. So yeah, there's a lot of functions in this, right? But for finishing the project, that's it. So whatever this is there, only you have to make the function play. You could either make it from the very start, or you could see we are playing the multiplayer car racing game, right? So in that you could see what the format is given over there or edit it, or you could do it all by yourself. And this is just a format that I have given, sorry. So if you want to change any background color, the style of the, you know, style of this, or but the main thing is that you have to add this note, and you have to say that the name of the contestant, the answer that they have written, and the color should be different for the person who wrote the right answer. Now Prachita wrote the right answer, so it should be in green color. So that's the main format, you can change it. Okay, so and this display answers, this is for the gapping for each, so one person and then below that. So now suppose you say 50, then you can see the gap increase between Prachita and Shiva, the names, and then 20, see the gap decreased. So that's this is for that one. So because this is in a for so this is in a for loop, that's the reason. Now this goes, so where plr in all contestants, so first plr number is 1 because one contestant. Okay, yeah, so first plr number is 1 because this is a for variable. First it will, do all the function and then go again the second time because there are two contestants. So where plr in all contestants, so for first contestant it will check whether the correct answer that they have given is 2. No, it will we made a variable correct answer, so just a variable. Then it will check whether the correct answer equals to all contestant, and then this PLR first, what's written over here, first player, right? PLR first player, so it is 1 over here also because it's the for loop is going the first time, right? So it will be PLR 1, and then all contestants 1, PLR 1 answer. So contestant 1 dot answer, correct answer equals to contestant 1 dot answer, then fill green. If it's not, then red. Next, display, so there was something called display answer equals to 230, right? So display answers plus 20. This is the gap. So for, display answer is over here. This is the first, it will go as 230, okay? First this will go as 230, and the second time when the loop follows, then 230 plus 20 is 250. As you can see, this display answer variable is in the y position, y place, where we write, first it's x and then y, x position, y position. So this display answer variable is in the y position of the text, so where the text y position will be, if it's 230, 240, so if it's 230, it will be little up, then 250, then down, so like that. So this makes it go lower, and this the x position. X position doesn't need to be changed, okay? So that was the format. So this all is in a for loop. That's the reason it's actually working. So it goes the first time, because there are two contestants, it will go the second time. Okay, so this was the project, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our previous videos as well. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding any project, then comment it in the comment section below. Okay, I'll try to make the videos. If it's not possible, then I'll try to make the videos and clarify all your doubts, whatever they are. And feel free to share the code, at least, like, if you have any questions or something, you can copy it, whatever, all the whole thing, and then paste it in the comment where you commented, and I'll check and see how does it happen, what's the mistake in that. Okay, so thank you, bye, thank you so much, and we are so close to 350 subscribers. Please 350 subscribers. Bye.